What's up guys and welcome to my new video. Today I'm gonna show you how to download and install GTA San Andreas fast and easy. Hit like and subscribe if this guide helps you, and also guys, if you play Samp, you can also join to our Samp server. Okay guys, all what you need to do, just open your Steam, go here in search and type Grand Theft Auto San Andreas. And you will see here GTA San Andreas. Click on it, enter your birthday and go view page. Scroll down and you will see here add to cart, click on it, go view my card and go continue to payment, click on it. Choose PayPal or card. After that go continue, click on it, log in on your PayPal, and that's it all guys, how to get and how to download GTA San Andreas on your PC fast and easy. If this guide helps you, hit like and subscribe and share this video. I see you in the next clip and bye guys.